Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another blazer unboxing. Today it is the Parra Blazer. Oh yes, let's get to it. These came from StockX. I'm a little bit nervous. If you haven't seen Mr. B's video, which is either up there or to the side, he had a bit of a StockX fail. So a little bit nervous about this, but let's get to it. It wasn't too bad to get out, but let's take a look. Get that off there. Okay, camera number 2. These are Nike SB Blazer GT-QS Quick Strike. They are white, pink rice, gym red. They are a UK 6, a CM 25, a European 40. Excellent. They are a US men's 7 and a women's 8.5. And the recommended retail price of these was $85 US dollars. As I said, Mr. B picked these up on StockX. They were slightly more than that. He assures me they weren't considerably more though. Not sure if I believe him. But anyway, let's take a look. Right, so I've got my... I don't think you had this in your Jordans. Did you have a little... Mm-hmm. You came back to the future? Oh, you did. Okay,
yeah.
right.
So just tuck all of that away.
Little know before you go thing. Wood cut paper, StockX sticker, who cares? Here we go, people. Here we go. Let's get the box off the table. If these aren't perfect, I'm not going to be happy. Okay, I'm just having a good look. Having a good look here. Having a good look before I bring anything into the camera. Look fresh. Okay, somebody's obviously worn them in the house, because I'm just going to bring this into camera number 2. So look at that crease. Because they're so white, it's going to be overexposed. There's a crease on the toe box. Mr. B, the sneaker cam. Are you seeing that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. First thing, that has been worn around the house more than just trying it on. Anyway, so as I said, these are the Parra Blazer, not the Dunks. Mr. B has got the Dunks. Super nice, super nice, super nice. I'm a Blazer girl, so I had to get these instead. Just having another good look. So they've got, well, exactly the same details as the Dunks, let's be honest. You've got, they haven't. I'm being told they haven't behind the camera. Okay, I will have a proper look at them then. So you've got
They've
this...
kind of got the same details, but like there's just a little bit more.
Okay, so you got this 3D effect, which looks epic on this front camera from what I can see. This 3D effect on the swoosh, which is slightly different to Mr. B's, just looking at them to the side, onto my right hand side here. Ever so slightly. You've got that sort of weird chenille material that has like that's really small compared to yours, Mr. B. You seeing that? Or not really? So I'm going to take that up to you. Camera 2, come on, focus on the focus on the sneaker, focus. Look at that, God, that's so bright. Is that a bit better there? It's like a luminous. Doesn't look real, look at that. But you've got the Parra print, the crazy Parra print on the tongue tab here. And then on the inside, you've got the Nike SB on here, which you probably won't see. You've also got the alternate laces, which are the crazy Parra print. I can't talk, I've been working really late this week. Super tired. You've got that crazy print all the way through. Then on the back of this one, it says Parra. And if we flick to this one, it actually says SB. It's almost like they were personalised if I was ever to use Mr. B's name. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't want to focus. Doesn't want to focus. Come on. There we go. There you go. Nice. The other slight difference between these and the Dunks. My assistant has just passed me this Dunk we unboxed earlier. So you can see the difference. Now if we look at the back, where you got the SB, on my Blazer, you have that really nice Parra detail. The Parra print, not the parrot, the Parra. I don't like parrots, too noisy. But apart from that And there's no little swoosh at the front. You can see that. I'm going to turn that to you, Mr. B. Look at that, camera number 2, if you can pick it up. No, too bright, too bright, too bright. Now, one thing a colleague of mine noticed, because he's got these Parras as well, the Dunks anyway, he noticed that the tongue was slightly off-white compared to the brightness of the shoe. Now, when I was discussing this with Mr. B, he said that again, that was kind of a nod to the moulders, which he mentioned in his unboxing video. But on the Blazers, it is a, if I can get into one properly, let me take the paper out of here. On the Blazers, it is more pure white than that sort of off-white colour on the tongue. Tongue, as with all Blazers at the moment, is stitched in. So you've got kind of like a half sort of sock type effect around the tongue area. And you've got that crazy Parra print all the way through on the inside. I mean, that's a solid sneaker. That's a solid Blazer, like proper solid. And I'm pleased I've got them. I'm just having another look for any defects because I am kind of paranoid. Parra laces as well with Parra on the eaglets. I've probably said that wrong as well. I know the camera doesn't focus on it because it wouldn't focus when we tried to show it on Mr. B's, but it is there exactly the same. And those alternate laces which I mentioned. I mean, it's a solid pickup and I love them. I am going to say it. They're not a replacement for my beloved and trashed deconstructed Blazers from last year. And Mr. B's going to hate me for saying that. Yes, he's nodding his head. He's.
Yes.
I tell you why. The only reason I'm saying that is because these colours will not go with everything in my wardrobe. Whereas those deconstructed bone Blazers, because they're sort of that off-white colour, they literally go with everything. But these are epic, absolutely epic, and I'm super pleased that you got them for me, Mr. B. Super pleased. Are these getting a thumbs up from you? Yeah? Have I missed any detail?
Let's have a look.
Go look at the sole.
Nice Blazer sole.
Nice Blazer sole, yeah. Nothing different there.
Not seeing anything there. No, I just think they're a super crisp white Blazer.
They are super crisp white, and me equals dirty.
Are you going to swap the white laces out and put the crazy laces in?
I think so. I think the crazy laces have to be done, in all honesty.
I think you're right.
I think the crazy laces will just really add something to these sneakers, like a bit of craziness. And I'm slightly crazy, and as my t-shirt says, weird. So that won't be out of place if I go and wear something totally leery. So, Pint of Stuff community, what do we think of these Blazers? Or what do you think of the Dunks? I know quite a few of you have already commented on Mr. B's videos, but as always, if you like these, you've got these, you don't like these, leave us a comment below. If you like this video, give it the old thumbs up. And if you haven't come along and joined us on Sundays, come along and join for Sneaker Stream Sundays. It's where we talk about sneakers, we do the odd occasional surprise unboxing, we look at the news, we look at Instagram. It's a bit of fun. It's everybody that likes our channel, so come along. That's Sneaker Stream Sundays, and that's 8 o'clock here in the UK, which is about 12 PM on the West Coast, about 3 PM on the East Coast. Bit of fun. Come along and join in. Also, we're having a bit of fun in the old Discord. If you look in the description below, you'll see there's a link to Discord. So again, come along and join the sneaker chat, share what you're wearing, share your thoughts on what we're wearing, what you like, what you don't like, etc. It's all a bit of fun. If you can't be bothered to look down below for that link, it's pintofstuff/Discord or Discord/pintofstuff. Which one is it, Mr. B?
It's pintofstuff.com/Discord.
There we go. At least one of us gets it right. Right guys, I am going to go because I've still got a ton of work to do before I pack and fly to Germany for a few days. So I'm out of here. As I said, leave us a comment below. Look forward to hearing your thoughts on these sneakers. I am over and out. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
That was a ramble.